Welcome to our Flying Wheels YouTube channel. Today is all about boats. Go! Hey, so you might notice I'm on a lake. I'm at a sandbar having a great time, but it's not because of the boat I bought down in Florida 3 months ago. Cut back to my shop. If you're not one of the 500,000 people that watched the video of my boat fiasco for the past 4 months, here's a quick clip and a recap of what's been going on. Last month, my wife and I flew down to Florida. We picked up this boat. We got down there. The boat didn't run, even though we were told it does run. So we picked up the boat and couldn't get the thing running. Had to tow it back, found out that it was on the wrong trailer. The fender right here cut into the tread of the other tire. Had 2 blowouts. Had quite some mishaps along the way. Every hotel was closed along the way because of the coronavirus, so we had to sleep in our car twice. But we don't have blankets or pillows, so we're using our life jackets. And I have towels, shop towels that I'm gonna use as my second pillow, and our beach towels from today. Trailer moving up and down, the boat moving up and down, this boat swaying all over the place, and the thing was fishtailing all over the highway. Scared the hell out of me. The trip was an absolute headache. Come to find out I get it back, it's even worse because the boat's in way rougher shape than I thought it was. It's gonna cost $38,000. So this boat has been an absolute nightmare since before I even purchased it. It's been sitting here for almost a month now and not running. I've had problems with water pumps, I've had problems with it not running, I've had problems with pop tires and so on and so on and so on. But today I'm bringing it to somebody else. I'm bringing it to the pros, so hopefully they can just get it running. I've had it with the boat, but I'm determined to get it going. In the meantime, let me introduce you to old reliable, good old faithful I call it. This is my 2006 Hurricane minivan of boats. This thing has never let me down. I absolutely love the Yamaha outboard. And if you look at it, it's like a deck boat, but it's also a modified V. It's comfortable, fits 12 people, and has never ever let me down. So even though that thing over there I've had for 2 months not running is still sitting there, this thing I've used several times and still puts a smile on my face every time I take it out. Here I am, July. So end of April, May, June. It's been over 2 months that I've had this boat in my possession. Never once have I ever seen it run. So I finally gave up on it. I can't get it running myself, but I have a friend that is a boat professional. He owns a boat repair facility. So I'm gonna take it to him, and he offered to go through this thing and I hope get it running. So it's been a week and I already got a call from him telling me he got it running. All right, here we go. Here's the amazing thing, and here's why you pay the professionals. As soon as I got there, he knew, just from the video, exactly where that broken wiring harness went. It went behind the crank pulley. It was the cam sensor harness. It had been torn out when the water pump seized and pulled the hoses, wrapped it around, and ripped it out. He knew exactly where it went. Within a few minutes, the thing started overheating.
These are really hot.
There was an exclamation mark flashing at him, telling him something's wrong.
Goes in a limp mode.
So the water pump's brand new, and we can feel the water flowing. We can see it cooling itself to the water pump. So there's a blockage somewhere in between. Now, where is the water going in and not coming out? It's getting stuck somewhere. That's bad news. Hopefully not head gasket, hopefully not manifolds, hopefully who knows what it could be. So now we have to check the oil and hope it's not milky white.
All right, here we go, oil filter. Well, it's just black. Doesn't look dirty. Well, it's dirty, but there's no water in it.
So the oil looks great. That's great news. Now what? Could it be scaled on the inside? Where is all this water going? Well, he's gone as far as he can possibly go. And unfortunately with Volvo, you have to go to the Volvo dealer because it's proprietary. They will not let you work on it. They will not even sell anybody their scan tool equipment, their software, so you can't figure out what's wrong with it. You can't diagnose anything without plugging it in. You have to take it to the dealer. So now we have to drive 2 hours north to the Four Winds Volvo dealer, and if they can't take it, I have to go to the other place that I bring my boat. The good excuse is my good running boat is already up there, so it gives us an excuse to go use it because it's supposed to be like 90 degrees. So you guys get to join us. So we're back at it. Road trip number 2 with the boat. Oh my God, that thing makes me so nervous. Look at it swaying in the back. So mechanic number 3, road trip number 2. We took it to a boat shop, new boat store. They didn't even do anything to it. They kept it for like 3 weeks, didn't even do anything to it. Told me it might have sunk. Boat mechanic 2 saw my video, a friend of mine called me and said, bring it down here, I'll get it running. He knew exactly where there was a broken sensor, knew exactly where it went, replaced the water pump for me, got it running. Now it overheats. Oh my God, this thing is so scary. This thing really scares me driving. I'm only going 55. So here is our dilemma. The Volvo dealers are too busy right now and they're not taking on any new customers. So it's a catch-22. They're not taking on any new customers, but no one else can work on the stuff. So what do I do now? I'm stuck. So I'm gonna take it to the Volvo dealer, the Four Winds dealer, and just explain to them that exact thing. And hopefully they just let me drop it off. So here we are. This is boat repair shop number 4. Number 1 didn't look at it. Number 2 got it running. Actually, if you don't include me, that would make it 5. Number 2 actually got it running, but it overheats. Number 3 turned me down because they're not taking on any new customers, even though they're a Volvo Four Winds dealer. It's proprietary. Number 4/5 is right here, and they said they can work on it for me. So hopefully they'll get this done, but they also told me they're very backed up. That boat is still not running. Luckily I had reserves. Not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one. Here it is. 23-foot Hurricane, the minivan of boats. Fits 12 passengers. There's my first mate right there. Already has the boat running. My skipper right there. And then all the minnows. And here we are today at the sandbar. I'm going to show you what it's all about, why I enjoy boating, and why I took that trip to Florida to go get that $100,000 non-running boat for $25,000. So welcome to the sandbar. We got a little bit of everybody here. We got some young, some old, the college kids, the college girls, the parents with their kids, me, my wife, and everyone in between. Uh-oh, here we go. And here we go, there's our rig. There's my super hot wife. Uh-oh, water popo showed up. Have it. That's why we love boating so much. Yes, it's breakout another 1,000. Yes, the best 2 times you own it is the day you buy it and the day you sell it. But that's not always the case. I love my boat. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's a lot to maintain. But we have a great time. Anytime it's over 84 degrees, we go out boating. So that's why I wanted a bigger boat. We can bring more friends. We can have a better time, right? I don't know. Maybe not. I really like my minivan of boats. What do you guys think? Should I keep the old one? It's never let me down. I love that boat. But the other one's going to be better, maybe. Or it could just be riddled with problems and then I'll hate it forever and be sour on boating. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully, the next time you see this video, that other boat is either sold for gigantic profit or you'll see a big giant smile on me and my family's face because it's out in the water floating, not sinking, hopefully. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe down below. I always appreciate the support, so make sure to give me a thumbs up. And guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for coming along boating with us today. Adios.